Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can enable tools inside your Slack workspace here on your left sidebar. So let us show you how you can do that, guys. So head over to your Slack workspace. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. You may also switch to another one if you like. So guys, if you take a look at that panel or sidebar here to the left, you will see these features here like the home button, the direct messages section, activity files, and more. So here under more, you will see also tools. However, guys, if you'd like to add these tools direct to your sidebar, do the following. Click into your workspace name here at the top or into that arrow down icon next to it. And here from that following menu, select preferences. And here inside your workspace preferences, head over to navigation. And here to the right, you will see, for example, all tabs and sections we just talked about. You may add to your sidebar navigation bar. And if you'd like to add tools to that navigation bar, simply enable them by selecting the checkbox next to it, and that is going to give you direct access to these tools. So if I click into it, I will be redirected to all tools, including external apps, for example, workflows, and so on and so forth. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.